for joining us for another SellEton Scales video. Here we're going to go over the SellEton Scale software and its hotkey. The hotkey is used to input the weight it is capturing to any application or text box available. So here we have the weight being transmitted from indicator to the computer into our software. And we can use the hotkey to input that weight directly into, say, FedEx website, UPS website, or any application that you have that has a text box. The hotkey that you're going to be using is Alt-U, okay? Alt-U, again, is the hotkey, Alt and U. You hold Alt and you press U, and it'll automatically input that weight that the SellEton Scales software is capturing. So again, you can do it on any software, any application on your computer, and it will automatically do it. Input that information. So here I just input it on Microsoft Word, or if, you can do it on Notebook. Just a couple different applications that I'm able to pull up and capture that. So Alt-U is the hotkey in order to auto input the information that the SellEton Scale software is capturing. If you do have any questions, give us a call or find us on our website, selletonscales.com.